Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy gold in Interactive Brokers. In this session, I will guide you through the process step by step. First, you need to log into your Interactive Brokers account. If you do not have an account yet, be sure to create one and complete all necessary verification steps. Once you are logged in, navigate to the trading section of the platform. Here, you will see various options for different asset classes. To buy gold, you can utilize exchanges or direct gold products. You can consider options like the SPDR Gold Shares ETF or trading gold futures contracts, depending on your investment strategy. To place an order for gold, simply enter the ticker symbol for the product you have chosen and specify the quantity you wish to buy. Review your order, making sure that the details like price and quantity are correct. If everything looks good, submit your order, and you will then receive a confirmation once it has been executed. After your purchase, keep track of your investment. You can monitor the value of your gold holdings through the account dashboard. Always stay updated with market news and trends in gold prices, as this will help you make informed decisions regarding your investment in the future. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your gold investment.